In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark all as read in Gmail. If your inbox is overflowing with unread messages and you want a clean slate in seconds, this walkthrough is for you. We'll do this on a computer using a web browser, which is the simplest and most reliable way. Start by opening Gmail. Once your inbox is visible, look to the search bar at the very top. Click into it and type is unread, then press enter. That short search command tells Gmail to filter your mailbox and show only the messages that are currently unread. It works across your inbox in categories like primary, social, and promotions, so you're seeing one focused list of everything that still has the unread status. With that list on screen, go to the top left of the message list and click the Select checkbox. That selects all the conversations visible on the page. By default, Gmail shows up to 50 emails per page, and some accounts are set to 100, so at this point you've only selected the first page of results. Don't worry, we're about to expand that selection. Right above the list, you'll see a blue link that says Select all conversations that match this search. Click that link. This is the key step that tells Gmail to include every unread email that matched is unread, not just the ones you could see initially. You should also notice a small banner confirming that all conversations in the search are now selected. Now look at the toolbar running across the top of the list, just under the search bar. Find the Mark as Read icon. It looks like an open envelope, and click it. Gmail will begin marking all selected messages as read. If you have a large number of emails, give it a moment to process. When it's done, the unread badge count will drop, and your inbox view will refresh to reflect the change. That's it. You haven't deleted anything, and your labels or categories aren't altered. You've simply cleared the unread status from every message you selected. This is a great way to reset an overloaded inbox before you establish a new routine for staying on top of incoming mail. If you ever need to review specific messages later, you can still find them by searching or browsing their labels, just without the distraction of an unread count pulling your attention.